It's safe to say at this point that when she is found and apprehended, the former Bamban mayor and those associated with her will be facing many legal battles. Notwithstanding her pending cases, the Department of Justice, or DOJ, is preparing more charges to file against the dismissed local chief executive and those who allegedly served as accomplices. Luisa Erispe has more.
The Department of Justice sees another complaint to be filed against former Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo, and this will reach their office soon. During this time, Alice won't be alone and will have correspondents. Among them is her alleged sister Sheila Guo. The DOJ revealed themselves after confirming the government is preparing to file a money laundering case against Guo and others very soon.
Baka bukas or sa isang linggo ay masasampahan na siya ng kaso ng money laundering kasama si Alice Guo.
Though the DOJ did not confirm how big the money involved was, they said this is linked to the illegal operations of the Philippine Offshore Gaming Operators, or POGO hubs, in Tarlac and possibly in Pampanga. But if a money laundering complaint is still in the works, a criminal case against Guo may come even sooner. This is because the qualified human trafficking complaint is up for resolution and has undergone preliminary investigation. But the DOJ said they're not sure if the prosecutors accepted the counter affidavit of Guo's camp because of how it was questionably notarized. But the DOJ stresses it is planning to file a case against Guo's legal counsels.
Maaari siyang managot ng kriminal para sa falsification at mananagot din siya ng administratibo sa Korte Suprema, no? Dahil tayong mga abogado ay may mga obligasyon bilang abogado. Pero di namin dilimit dito sa notaryo na to, no? Dahil sa tingin namin, yung mga abogado ni Alice Guo mismo sa preliminary investigation at yung kanyang tagapagsalita ay dapat pasagutin din, no, ng kasong administratibo.
Meanwhile, lawmakers from the Senate also agree with the DOJ's earlier statement that it is too early for Sheila Guo to stand as state witness against Alice Guo's possible cases. Senator Win Gatchalian even suggested the transfer of Sheila Guo to another detention facility.
We have to be very careful with this Guo family. No? Parang ano sila mga professional parang professional liars and professional swindlers. Pwede rin, no? Kasi hindi naman iba na nag-detain ng Senado sa ibang kulungan, no? Ibang jail. Pwede rin 'yon, no? Dahil dito aminado naman tayo, mas komportable, mas pag hindi pa rin magko-cooperate o magbibigay ng detalye, pwede siyang makulong sa ibang lugar.
Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.